Hi, Tim. I hope this video finds you doing well. I wanted to create this message just so that you could quickly see what I was talking about as opposed to me trying to type or explain even out over the phone. Basically, you can see here that I'm logged into your website and this is considered the header area. And I've tried several different ways to apply, and there's a few others that I've already deleted, to get the button to work the way that you want it to. And as you may recall, I sent you the other day, yesterday I think it was, this particular screenshot that shows this is the code that you sent me here, and then I placed it into the text editor box, which is right here. Again, I'm on a screenshot, but this is the code that created this book online button. And then when we try to click it, it doesn't work. Now, what I want to point out to you, as you are well aware, is that the information that you're sending me is a script, which is slightly different in that, yes, it is HTML code, but you can see script ID. And I'm not a tech guy. I'll just explain to you that the little bit that I know is that the script tells, obviously, for the website to do something, click the button and it goes to this particular website, chat.housecallpro.com. And then here's your user ID number, so it doesn't go to, Bill Smith's trucking at house call. So this identifies who you are. Well, when we place this into the website here, and here's another example of it here, I tried to set it up as a link, and this is the button right here. You can see when I click this, let me get, well, this is the link. When I click here, this opens up, it says click here, this is it. Well, now I would change it to call now or connect or chat, but the point is it doesn't work doing it this way. So then let me get out of this here. Give me a second. Cancel. And so I'm just going to delete this because that one's not working. And then up here you can't see it, but this was you said you sent me the HTML. Well, I put it here, and this is the script going to that chat that you had mentioned. And when I place it there, it doesn't work. As you can see, it is already there. Let me hit cancel again. It's just you can't see it. And so I don't know, I had the same code pasted into a button, and it did not work. A minute ago I showed you that. So I'm going to delete this because it's useless code at this time. Again, we can fix this if you tell me how to fix it, or if they know how that House Pro explains how to do this. But this is the text editor box, and this was already, it is published on the site. It's going to be unpublished now because I'll remove it. But you can see it here, and this shows as a script, which is it's the text editor box. If I click here, this is the code, and then when I go to the visual, this is how it's appearing right now. You can see that they've got the little thing ready to run, and it says book online, and then hit save, and then I'll publish this and I'll show you that it doesn't do anything, which I'm not sure if the script is being blocked or what's happening. And then this was a different version of what I actually had here. Here's the button settings, and click here, and then I guess I don't have the code in here, which I'll just paste this here, and then hit select, and don't need to cancel. Let me do that again. I'm just going to get rid of that because that one's not going to work. That's the same thing that I had on the other side. So now when I hit done and then publish, just give this a second to load. Okay, you can see the button here. I click on book online, and it doesn't go anywhere. And if I use a different browser, I go to Chrome. Again, I was trying to figure out how to set this thing up here. House Call Pro, and then go to All American Initiative. So you can see here, this column's now blank because I removed everything. Click here, book online, and it doesn't go anywhere. So if you could contact them and ask them, you could share this video with them. I don't know exactly what's happening, why that's not working, but if they have a widget or someplace I should put it. I know the other thing I was going to show you. So let me shrink this down. Let me go back here, where I also, to apply the code, if I go to the customizer here, just give me a second, and then I go down here to theme settings, and then if it was scripts, because again, you had scripts that you sent me, I applied these here, and this is that House Call Pro chat bubble, and it's in the header script. So we can get them a login if they can fix it, and I can't, no problem. I'll get them a temporary login so that they can do that. But where I'm at right now, Tim, I'm gonna I'll leave this just so you can see it, but then I'll remove it when you tell me to remove it. And then this column's open for whatever we want to put in here. So, you know, as an example, again, I'm going to close this down. If I go to my templates, go to my header, and here, in a second, as soon as it loads, I can drop in, like this right now is just a column, but I can put in the HTML code, which I did before, and then enter it in here, and then hit save. And, or I can enter in other types of button settings, which that's what this is a button setting. I can drop that in. So with that being said, I'm going to load this up, and I'm going to hit cancel, and then just, I'll go ahead and done, I'll just load it, publish. And then I'm going to end this video, Tim. So let me know what you'd like me to do. I definitely think I should remove this because it's not working. I'm not sure what's causing it not to work. If there's security stuff on Firefox and Chrome and Edge that are stopping some of these scripts, I don't know the answer, especially if it's a pop-up. And I don't know if it was or wasn't. This was just a straight button, whereas that chat, sometimes those are pop-ups, and browsers will stop some of those. Anyway, I'm starting to ramble, so thanks for watching, Tim. Take good care, and wish you well. Let me know what you'd like me to do, and thanks again. Bye-bye.